Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the device and launching Shizuku so privileged file access becomes available. First, enable developer options and USB debugging, then install the Shizuku APK and start its service. Use ADB start if the app can't elevate itself. Once done, grant the Shizuku service permission inside the app. This creates an elevated API bridge. This matters because Shizuku gives your files app temporary elevated rights without full root, so you can proceed safely and precisely. Once Shizuku is running, you connect your chosen files app to that elevated service. Open the Files app, go to Integration or Plugins, and enable Shizuku, then request the elevated session. Make sure the app requests the right APIs, SAF for scoped storage, or manage external storage if supported. As you grant access, test by browsing protected folders. This confirms the bridge works. If the app supports command execution via Shizuku, you can run file operations directly for precision and faster batch work. Now perform the final file operations you need. Copy, move, delete, or edit files through the Files app while Shizuku is active. You should verify results, open files, and compare checksums where integrity matters. Once finished, consider how to persist access across reboots. Make sure you can restart Shizuku or use allowed persistent start options. If something breaks, restart Shizuku, rerun the ADB start command, and re-grant permissions. This resolves most connection and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.